Have you ever wondered if it's possible to achieve financial independence even if you're starting late? If you've been feeling like time has passed and you haven't done enough to secure your financial future, know that you're not alone. The good news is that with the right strategies, it's never too late to change your financial trajectory. In this video, we'll explore how cutting significant expenses, increasing active income, and maximizing retirement accounts can help you build wealth even if you're starting today. You'll also hear a real-life story of someone who began saving and investing at 35 and achieved financial independence by 50, living off passive income. This isn't just another financial advice video. It's a roadmap designed specifically for people in their 30s and 40s who feel like they're behind but are ready to take action. Many professionals in their 30s and 40s realize too late the importance of planning for their financial future. They often feel frustrated, guilty, or anxious about not having started earlier. The fear of not being able to retire comfortably or provide for their families looms large. But here's the truth. The biggest mistake you can make is believing there's no solution. With small, consistent changes, you can completely transform your financial future. Let's dive into the first strategy: cutting significant expenses. Reducing fixed costs like housing, transportation, or subscriptions can free up money to invest. For example, downsizing your home or refinancing debt can redirect funds toward investments. Even eliminating small luxuries can add up over time. The key is to identify areas where you can cut back without sacrificing your quality of life. Imagine this: a family that opted for a smaller home saved $500 monthly and redirected those savings into index funds, doubling their net worth in just 10 years. Next, let's talk about increasing your active income. Negotiating a salary raise or seeking promotions at work can significantly boost your earnings. Additionally, developing new skills can open doors to better opportunities. Consider freelancing, starting a side hustle, or monetizing a hobby. For instance, one professional invested in online courses to improve their skills and secured a 15% salary increase while also launching a side business that now generates half of their monthly income. These strategies show that earning more doesn't always mean working harder. It's about working smarter. Another example: a teacher who started tutoring online on weekends increased her income by 30% within a year. Small, actionable steps can lead to big results. Now let's focus on maximizing your retirement accounts. Contributing to accounts like a 401k or IRA can be a game changer. These accounts offer tax advantages and compound growth over time. Automating your contributions ensures consistency, even when life gets busy. Imagine this: someone who starts investing $500 a month at age 35 could have over $1 million by age 65, thanks to the power of compound interest. This isn't magic, it's math. By taking advantage of these tools, you can set yourself up for long-term success. Here's a practical tip. If your employer offers a 401k match, contribute enough to get the full match. It's essentially free money. Let me share a real-life example that will inspire you. There was a person who started investing at 35 after realizing they were behind on their financial goals. By cutting unnecessary expenses, negotiating a higher salary, and consistently contributing to their retirement accounts, they achieved financial independence by age 50. Their journey wasn't easy, but it proves that discipline and smart planning can lead to extraordinary results. You don't need superpowers, just a clear plan and the determination to stick with it. Another inspiring story: a single mother who started a small online store managed to save enough to retire early by focusing on high-impact financial habits. Now, let's break down the steps you can take today to start your journey. First, conduct a thorough financial diagnosis. Review your budget, track your expenses, and identify areas where you can save. Next, focus on reducing significant costs like housing or car payments and redirect those savings into investments. Then, look for ways to increase your active income, whether through negotiation, skill development, or side hustles. Finally, open a retirement account and automate your contributions. Even small amounts can grow significantly over time. For example, Investing just $10 daily can turn into hundreds of thousands of dollars over decades. Understanding the impact of compound interest is crucial. Compound interest allows your money to grow exponentially because you earn returns not only on your initial investment, but also on the accumulated interest. For example, if you invest $500 per month starting at age 35, you could have over $1 million by age 65, assuming an average annual return of 7%. Visualizing this growth can motivate you to stay consistent with your investments. Remember, time is your greatest ally. The earlier you start, the more powerful compound interest becomes. A common mistake people make is waiting for the perfect moment to invest. The truth is, the best time to start is always today. Automation is another key to success. Setting up automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts ensures you stay disciplined without relying on willpower. Use apps or tools to manage your finances efficiently. For instance, apps like Mint or YNAB can help you track spending and set financial goals. By automating your finances, you remove the emotional barriers that often prevent people from sticking to their plans. Imagine this: a young professional who automated $200 monthly contributions to an IRA reached his financial goals effortlessly because he didn't have to think about it every month. Let's address some common objections. Many people believe it's too late to start investing or that they don't have enough money to make a difference. Others worry about the risks involved. The reality is that every step counts, no matter how small. Even modest contributions can grow significantly over time. And while all investments carry some risk, diversifying your portfolio and staying informed can minimize potential losses. It's also important to avoid analysis paralysis, waiting for the perfect moment to start. The best time to invest is always now. Another objection I often hear is, "I'm too old to start." But consider this: someone who starts investing at 40 can still build a substantial nest egg by 60 if they're consistent. Psychology plays a huge role in achieving financial success. Staying focused on your long-term goals requires mental resilience. To maintain motivation, set clear objectives and visualize them daily. Break larger goals into smaller milestones and celebrate each achievement along the way. Surround yourself with supportive people who share your vision. Remember, setbacks are temporary. What matters is your commitment to moving forward. For example, a woman who visualized her dream retirement every morning stayed motivated to save and invest consistently, even during tough times. Finally, let's recap what we've covered. Achieving financial independence even when starting late is entirely possible. By cutting unnecessary expenses, increasing your income, and maximizing retirement contributions, you can build a secure financial future. Automation and compound interest are powerful tools that work in your favor. Most importantly, adopt a mindset of discipline and perseverance. Now it's your turn. Start today by reviewing your budget and identifying areas where you can save. Share your thoughts in the comments. What's the first step you'll take toward financial independence? Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on personal finance and wealth-building strategies.